The U.S. Army's Replicator 2 program from the Department of Defense and Defense Innovation Unit. This is the next big leap in attritable autonomous systems. Thousands of low-cost, AI-powered drones built to be lost in battle without breaking the bank. Each drone is small, cheap to mass-produce, packed with onboard AI for independent decision-making, and designed to operate in massive coordinated swarms that overwhelm enemy air defenses. The real strength is sheer numbers and speed of replacement. You can lose dozens and have fresh ones in the fight within hours. The only real downside is they're still relatively short range and need good satellite or mesh comms to stay coordinated deep in contested airspace. But the autonomy is getting so good that they're already operating with minimal human input. It kicked off in early 2026, with first operational units delivered in January, and it's most known for the Army's push to field over 5,000 attritable systems this year, focused on counter-drone and reconnaissance swarms in the Pacific and Europe. As an intelligence analyst who understands expensive platforms getting taken out way too easily, the idea of flooding the sky with cheap, smart, replaceable drones will completely change how we own the battlefield and keep our guys safe. Link in bio for more content. Vet Miltech, daily from the Drop Zone.